Happy birthday to our dear sister, based in Pennsylvania, USA, United States of America. We wish you all a happy birthday, dear sister Heidi Martin Boring. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, happy long life, happy long life to you. Many greetings to you. Many greetings to you. Many greetings, many greetings, many greetings to you. We wish you all a happy birthday, dear precious sister Edie Martin Boring of PA, USA, Plainsville, Church of Christ. All the churches of Christ in Ambajipeta area are saluting you. Romans 16:16. క్రీస్తాంగులను మీకు వందనములు చెబుతున్నాను. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే and many happy returns of the day to you, dear sister Edie Martin. Thank you. Dhamma.